Welcome. In today's video, I want to show you a particular trading strategy that I use on Deriv for Deriv Trader. So if you're signing in for the first time, you're going to most likely see something like this. Your screen, this is a demo account by the way. So you might not have VIX75 here, but for me, I would use 75 for this video. And the first thing I'm going to get is my RSI indicator. Go to indicator tab, then search for RSI. Select it, and there you have it right here. Okay, click off, come back to your drawing tools, and then look for the trend. Right now, what the trend does for us is that it shows us where the market is likely going to bounce off or reverse from. So I'm going to zoom out to see the entire direction of the market. As you can see, it is currently ranging. So by the way, this is a tick, so it's not showing the entire market movement. So now for the trend line that I just selected, I'm going to select one end from my left and select another end to my right, such that the movement is inside of the rectangle, this rectangle that you see right here. Now, if you look at this rectangle very well, you will see that there are zones: the upper zone, the lower zone, the middle zone. The middle zone is divided into two, right? So you see that the upper middle, the lower middle. So what this does is that when it hits here, we expect it to bounce back up. When it hits here, we expect it to come down, right? All things being equal. Now the RSI here shows that we are currently in the overbought zone. So it's supposed to start selling. So what I will do next is to select my stake. I want to use $10, and then select the duration. I want to use 3 minutes, and then I would say sell. So the market picks up the trade for me, and then it begins to sell right there. Can you see that? So after 3 minutes, if it is below this line, this very line here, then we are good to go. If it is above the line, we lose only that which we have staked, which is $10. Right? But if it is below it at the end of 3 minutes, we are going to have 19.25 in our payouts, right? Which means we're making a total of 9.5. So 19.52. So we're making a total of $9.5 on that trade. So you see that this strategy, guys, it works like magic almost all the time. But then you need to do your fundamental and technical analysis so that you know the general market trend. So for that, you can just switch to a higher time frame, say for instance 15 minutes. Then you can select the candlestick instead of the area. Select the candlestick, and then you see that the market is actually buying over the past 1 hour. This is 30 minutes, 30 minutes. Once this concludes, it's going to be another. We're going to be complete 1 hour, 1, 2, 3, 4 candles for 15 minutes, 1 hour. So we are seeing an up movement. But if you look here, it's a point where it's resisted from the upside. It's likely going to resist. I didn't say it resisted. It's likely going to resist, so it's going to come down from here. So I'm going to go back to my zone. I'm going to go back to tick. I close this, and I'm still in the market. Where's my trade? I can quickly go to my report. Where's my report? Right here. Yes, so I have 55 seconds more, and I will be good to go. All right. Hopefully this goes in our favor. Market on the RSI is around the 50 zone, which means undecided. It can go any direction right now. Okay, so make sure that you are trading at the time when the market is active. Don't trade at times when it's not very active. It could bite you really hard. And look at this, there's not much movement. That's a problem. All right, we have few minutes, 6 seconds to go, about 17 seconds. Okay. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So that's a win. You see that right here. We won that trade. So here it is. Beautifully done. Okay, beautifully done. So that is how you use I call it the Trione strategy. this setup is novel to me. I have not seen it anywhere else. I like to think of it as my personal stuff. Okay, so remember, you trade only that which you can afford to lose. Do not trade irresponsibly. Thank you, guys.